Cardano, or ADA. Cardano is considered a third-generation cryptocurrency, led by one of the founders of Ethereum, Charles Hoskinson. Cardano is a smart contract platform like Ethereum, but takes the idea to a new level by trying to solve issues with scalability, interoperability, and sustainability of current cryptocurrencies. It is labeled as the first blockchain project that is based on scientific philosophy and built on academic research that has gone through detailed academic review and analysis. Cardano is building its platform with both end users and regulators in mind by trying to find the middle ground between regulations, privacy, and decentralization. The platform uniquely uses Haskell programming language that offers a high degree of fault tolerance, which ensures that the code stays relevant and usable in the future. Cardano is built on two layers. One is for registering the movement of ADA, and the other one is for running smart contracts, which means more flexibility and security. Cardano is using their own proof-of-stake algorithm called Ouroboros, which will make transactions a lot faster, as well as eliminating the need of storing the whole blockchain on every node. Ouroboros instead generates leader nodes who push the transactions. Interesting facts. Charles Hoskinson, the creator of Cardano and one of the founders of Ethereum, was one of the people who supported Ethereum Classic after the DAO incident. He was adamant that reversing the DAO hack was against the principles of blockchain technology. Cardano is working on enabling cross-chain transfers, making it possible to exchange, for example, ADA to Bitcoin directly through sidechains, eliminating the need to go through exchanges. Cardano is working on their wallet that will be able to support multiple cryptocurrencies in the future. Cardano is developing a system that allows different signature schemes to be added in the future. They are also looking to integrate quantum-proof signatures, or cryptographically secure digital signatures. Lastly, Cardano didn't write a white paper like all the other cryptocurrencies. Instead, they presented a collection of design principles, engineering best practices, and avenues for exploration.